We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx, and today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro M118dw. So the first thing first, you want to check the back before you do anything. If you see your paper right here, go ahead and gently grab it and pull it up and out. You don't want to yank it or pull really fast because it could rip some pieces off in there and that could damage a sensor and cause further paper jams. If you don't really see the paper right here, what you want to do is go ahead and open this bad boy, and right here you should be able to see it if it's not all the way through the back, and you can just lightly pull that out. Of course, if you see it up here and it jams, you can just pull it up and out gently. If you're seeing a lot of paper jams, you may need to call us. We might need to do some work on your printer. And if you're in need of supplies or a quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.